Hello Primary 3. Today we're going to have a look at report writing. What is a report? A report presents information about an object, animal, person or place. Do you know any types of reports? Have a think. A book review, a scientific report, a magazine article, a newspaper report, an eyewitness account, and one that you all probably have seen before is your school report. So a report is a factual story, but it doesn't have to be written in order of what happened. When writing a report, it is always good to have a structure. We need to have, number one, a title. This tells us the name of the thing. Then we need to have an introduction. It tells us what the thing is. The next three, the description, the location, and the dynamics. These are the biggest part of the report, so it needs to be detailed and informative. The description tells us what the thing looks like. The location tells us where you would find the thing, and the dynamics tells us what the thing can do. And then finally, in conclusion, we have the summary or conclusion. It sums it all up, or sometimes this can be an interesting fact, or it can be your opinion about something. Once we have a plan, we can write a report. Here is an example of a report. It's called a lion. A lion is a member of the cat family. A lion has 4 legs, a mane and a tail. It has sharp teeth and huge paws. Lions live together in groups called prides, and most lions live in Africa. A lion is a good hunter. It eats large prey such as zebra and buffalo. Did you know that female lions are the main hunters? So boys and girls, we can see here the title of the report is called A Lion. The next part is our introduction. So this tells us, this is the introduction, it tells us the lions belong to the cat family. The next 3 paragraphs tells us, this one is describing the lion. The next paragraph tells us where the lion lives, and the next paragraph tells us what it does. These 3 paragraphs are made up of facts, boys and girls. So in order to find these facts, we go to a reliable source, and the main source that we use today is the internet, but you can also use fact books, you can use encyclopedias, you can watch documentary on the television, or sometimes you can even talk to people who might know a wee bit about the report that you're writing about, for example, lions. The last little paragraph here, boys and girls, is your final comment, and this one here is an interesting fact. Did you know female lions are the main hunters? So we can see, boys and girls, very clearly our title, like all pieces of writing we've seen so far, they all have a title, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs, and each paragraph has its own use. So the first paragraph is the introduction, the second paragraph is describing the lion, the third paragraph tells us where you would find a lion, the fourth paragraph tells us what it does, and the last paragraph is telling us an interesting fact or a summary. Now, your task today, boys and girls, is to gather facts all about you. Once you've done this, you can write a report about yourself. So, for your title, you can just write your name. For the introduction, you can introduce yourself, your family name. For example, I belong to the Coyle family. I am 7 years old and I was born on the 17th of January. I have 1 sister and 3 brothers. And then you click a new paragraph and write a description about what you look like. You can say how tall you are, what colour your hair is, what colour your eyes are. And then you can tell me your location. Whereabouts do you live? And then the last paragraph here with the information facts is write about what you can do, what you like to do, your hobbies and your talents. And then you have a summary at the end. Here you can write me an interesting fact. Use your exercise book, boys and girls, that were sent to you, and you can upload me a photograph if you like. Thank you.